Mga nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Diesto. And for today's episode 70, mga must-try and bestsellers by Polyn Snackhauz. Polyn Snackhauz, most famous for their burgers, fries, nachos, and other savory products. They're located at Plazuela de Iloilo, along the road, and in front of SMR Chocolates. They're also available for other food items, sweets, and also drinks. And for their fullest of menus and delivery details, I'll provide the description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Polyn Snackhauz. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nos! So these are all must-try products and bestsellers by Polyn Snackhauz. But before anything else, please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. And comment down below kung anong mga foods gusto nyo try for Polyn Snackhauz. Share this video to one of your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo updated sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Please lang mga nos, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, huwag niyo pong skip. So I'm very excited mga nos, especially first time ko matry yung ibang products nila, and also na-feature ko din sila dun sa Iloilo Convention Center. Without further ado, let's start for our first taste test review. For our first product, these are solo burger with fries for 85 pesos. Mga nos nandito sa baba. Tapos meron din silang solo burger without fries. Try ko muna tong fries nila. Sobrang labot ng texture and taste value for its fries. Tapos properly proportioned for its salt. Try natin yung solo burger. So ayan, na melt na yung cheese. Tapos nakita kong onions, cucumber, and cabbage. And also yung patty and buns. Ito, high quality talaga when it comes sa patty, sa buns, also for its sauce. Nag-well complement and well-balanced for its overall burger taste and also for its quality. The next product and their bestseller is their garlic cream cheese bread for 2 pieces for 70 pesos. Ito yung toppings dito sa taas or garnish. Ang ganda ng combination for this product. Yung bread very soft, very smooth. Yung texture for its cream cheese, sobrang lambot at sobrang sulit ka na for this 2 pieces of garlic cream cheese bread. For next product, these are French toast for 70 pesos. Ito tama yung combination for its egg, milk, bread, and also for its meat, and also for its sauces. Galing na product na to kasi very distinctive yung overall flavors. So far, sa tatlong products nila, naging consistent pa rin sila when it comes sa softness for their breads or buns. For last product, but not the least, these are Meaty Nachos for 100 pesos. Very crunchy yung nacho chips, and also yung meat, very savory and very tender. Perfect combination for its cheese and also for its veggies. Best partner for their special sauce. Okay, for rating mga nos, for all of their products, I'll give it a perfect 10. Tapos, when it comes to their overall ingredients, ito, sobrang ma-amaze ka for distinctive and precise, and also naging true sila pag-prepare, sa pagluto, and also for its overall presentation. Di lang siya eye-appealing, but also very delicious in every bite. So once again, thank you so much, and congratulations to Polyn Snackhauz for this great opportunity to feature your products, especially for a vlog episode Drinking Nose. So Polyn Snackhauz has excellent quality of products, very accommodating, and excellent service, budget-friendly, and the Drinking Nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much, and congratulations to Polyn Snackhauz. Keep safe mga nos! Bye!